अच्छा मैं किस तरह शुरू करूँ. Hello, welcome back to Irfan Sheikh Extra, and we're doing this podcast with a very, very, very special guest. ज़्यादा very तो नहीं बोलते हैं.
No, I think that was an appropriate amount for me.
Alright. We don't have a special guest today. We just have a normal random person.
He picked me off the streets. He was like, "इधर आ जाओ मुझे podcast."
He was
करना
like,
है."
"इधर आ जाओ, let's do a podcast together." Khair, we have a huge TikTok star today.
Don't call me that. I knew you were gonna do something. Don't call me that. I am not a TikTok star. I don't know what happened when I made the account. I'm not a TikTok star. Write it down.
I'm hoping you got your like most of your fame from TikTok, so I can't.
I
Record
don't
you.
even know why people know me. I genuinely don't. Yeah, I
Every
guess,
cool
I
girl
guess.
starter pack.
Yes. Very.
I'm just kidding. सही ना, जब मैं अपने उस मोड में होता है ना, vlogging मोड में. So
Then you make that joke?
whoa. Whoa.
Yeah.
We are back.
Was it your internet or mine?
You I don't know. पता नहीं, मेरे को 3-4 not this. I'm not flexing. ठीक है ना, I'm not flexing. मेरे को
तुम्हारे पास
3-4 नेट है,
3-4
मुझे नहीं पता
इंटरनेट
चलता
है।
कि कौन से किससे है.
You know
Yeah,
what?
routers हैं
You can
अलग-अलग घर के
just
पास.
have one.
What?
I just have one.
I can off for that.
Yeah. This family of 4 relies on one single router. You should be very, very happy with your
See,
child.
you're 4. We're 6.
That's just
फर्क
2
है ना.
people more.
भाई देखें, I wanted the best Wi-Fi. मुझे कुछ घर में हो ना हो, I want the best Wi-Fi. That's it. That's the main thing. हम किस चीज़ पे जी रहे हैं, आप बताएं.
Well, right now, Wi-Fi.
Exactly. तो अच्छा, सुनैना से ना, I was talking and then I was like कि what's like आपके नाम का मतलब क्या है, whatever that was. So she said कि oh, your name is also unique. You said something like that. So I was like no, it's not. तो फिर ना I just forgot what I was saying.
I said that, yeah, your name is Irfan, and I've never met a bad Irfan, and you found out.
She said कि I've never met a bad Irfan. What does that mean?
It means that all the Irfans I know are good. I don't know them, but like I know Irfans, right? I know
Well,
you.
you know
You're a good
one,
Irfan.
I guess. सही है ना?
देखो,
At least I'm
I do
flexing
have a
on
blue
something.
passport, but I've never actually visited America when I was older. Like I haven't been there. I don't know.
You haven't
where
been
I was
there.
born, what it looks like.
Whoa,
I
I
have
can
not-
flex
I
more than
wasn't
you. I
born
have
there
been
and
there
born
thrice. I have been there thrice. I can
Well,
flex more than you.
well.
सही है ना?
I've been to UK. Okay, that's like the cooler version of America.
Woo! As expected.
True.
Mm,
Also, अपने
nice.
भाइयों से बोलो ना, अपने भाई बहनों से,
क्या बोलूँ मैं उनसे?
to sponsor you. If I'm not
They are
mistaken,
sponsoring me
also-
काफी ज़्यादा.
तो बस सही है ना.
See, मुझे जाना होता 2 साल पहले they were my whole family like pushed me. They were like कि you have to go back for your studies, and I confronted every single person in my family. I was like, I'm not gonna go.
Oh my God, you're so lucky. I want to slap. I'm going to slap you, you bitch.
Why?
I wanted
पहली
to
बात
go abroad so bad, and my parents were gonna allow me, and then they sat me down and they're like, "Beta, हमारे पास we don't have the finances to send you abroad, so like forget
ये
everything."
अभी अच्छा
and
लगता
यहीं पे
है.
जाओ.
पता है, दूर से अच्छा लगता है. I know हाँ, बिल्कुल it's not worth it.
It is worth it. I wanted to go abroad so bad, and I will, but like बाद में.
Inshallah.
Yeah,
After this
that's what you
podcast,
say
you'll
when
get a
nothing
sponsor.
happens. That's what my parents say when it's not happening. You know, when you're like, "Mom, can you get me like, no," and she's like, "Inshallah, sweetie," and then you know it's never gonna happen.
I'm just being nice to you and okay. Okay. This is what I'm getting in return, भैया. भलाई का ज़माना है. अच्छा, tell me, what are you going to become in future? Tell me.
In the future, honestly, I don't even know.
A TikTok star.
No! Listen, TikTok is not my future. I love it as a platform. It's really fun to, just fool around on it and stuff. But I'm not gonna make TikToks until I'm like old,
I'm just
Gonna
trying
do
to
other
like. Wait, what was those lyrics? Are you into me? Like I'm into you. Do you wanna do the things I wanna do with you?
It's a good song. It's a good song, and I love Claire.
It is.
No, actually, I don't know what even happened with TikTok. मैंने तो ऐसे ही download किया था. But in the future, I just want to do a shit ton of activism.
Perfect. I'm proud
Yeah.
of you.
Thank you. Hopefully, I'll be able to get some stuff done.
I've been seeing your stories, and that's all I
Yeah,
found.
but that is the main goal.
I love it.
What about
I
you?
love it. Acting. I whispered in the mic, and I don't know. I want to pursue as an actor. I want to be an actor.
That's so fun.
That's how we can say it.
Uh-huh.
No contacts.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, what I have to do is by myself.
Yeah, and you can, bitch. Like, you're talented and you will. I believe in you.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that.
My mom also, she started super, she inspires me a lot. First, because she's my mom. So, वैसे ही.
Exactly.
But then secondly, because she started off really late when she had me and she had my little brother, and she was just a housewife for a couple of years, and she was like, screw it, I want to become an actress. And she did. And she's only been working these past few years, and she didn't have any connection, and she did it. And I know you will too. You're a good talented
Mashallah.
kid.
Too. When I entered YouTube, मेरे ज़हन में सिर्फ एक था, I want to be an actor. I want to be an actor. I want to be an actor. That's it.
Yeah.
So मैं कुछ टाइम पहले ना काफ़ी डीमोटिवेट हो गया ये सोच के कि आई डोंट हैव एनी फैमिली बैकग्राउंड लाइक जो कनेक्टेड हों लाइक फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से हु कैन गेट मी इन आई वाज रियली डिसअपॉइंटेड बिकॉज आई एम रियली यंग राइट नाउ और आई एम श्योर कि इफ़ यू हैव सीन दोज लाइक माई वो बदलापुर वाली वीडियो
Yeah.
You can tell I'm serious about it. I don't want to be a
are. It
model.
shows.
I don't want to be a model. I don't care about my looks कि मैं किस तरह दिख रहा हूँ. I just wanna I love acting. That's it. That's the only thing.
No. What are we talking about now? Now we've had that motivational speech about people.
Was it boring?
No, it was good. It was nice. Yeah.
Nice.
Honestly, yeah, I failed a lot as well. Just failed
You did?
over and over. A lot. Especially because I think academics are very close to me as a person. Because I
Yeah.
love studying and all of that, but I was so bad at it. I was so terrible at studying O levels. I was just a crap student. And my teachers would be like, you are not going anywhere. Like, this is not happening.
And you became a TikTok star.
Yeah, and they were like, yeah, I knew you wouldn't go anywhere.
2 महीने पहले.
I mean, yeah, it's not okay. You're gonna feel very shitty for a very long time, but you'll be okay. Okay?
Thank you.
It'll be okay. बाद में. बहुत बाद में.
Yeah. After this, I'm gonna beep this out. You know, I can't.
वो सब कर चुके हैं.
एक इकलौता भाई है उसकी शादी हो रही है और लाइक फिर उसके बाद मेरा नंबर है तो लाइक आई एम गोना बी लाइक एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट ना
Yeah.
तो आई वाज लाइक ये करूँगा एंड देन इट गॉट कैंसिल्ड हर चीज़ तो
That's so
अब
shitty.
मैंने बोला रिसेप्शन तो यहीं होगा तो अब जैसे इंशाल्लाह ये दिसंबर जैसे ही ख़त्म होगा तो दिसंबर जनवरी में रिसेप्शन हम रखेंगे
That's fun.
भाई का और मैं अपने हर दोस्त को बुला यू शुड कम टू
Okay, I will come. I will eat. I will dance. I will
You
wish
will
your
eat?
brother a happy marriage.
come dance eat and enjoy
Wish your brother a happy marriage.
oh yeah that too
My brother is already married, but he didn't have a big reception or
Babe,
anything.
big. I thought you're gonna be about to say he कोई 3-4 वो omnibus घड़ी नहीं होती, वैसी बनाई थी और फिर मैंने ऑर्डर भी करी थी बाहर से और लाइक इट वाज असली मेरे और मैंने अपने दोस्त को दी। मैं हर चीज़ अपने दोस्तों को देता हूँ तो मैंने बोला तुम रख लो। हाँ, फिर मुझे रिग्रेट होता है आज तक। और वो चीटोस में से नहीं निकलते थे, वो जो एक सर्कल से होते थे वो
I used to collect them.
मेरे पास कोई 300-400 थे, इमेजिन।
No.
एक कसम से। और पता है आई गिव इट टू माई फ्रेंड और फिर उसने क्या कहा कि वो मैंने मेरे छोटे भाई ने ना मेरी बालकनी से फेंक दिया। आई एम लाइक व्हाट, लाइक कम ऑन मैन। और ये कोई मैं जब मैं 3 क्लास में था, आई वाज लाइक नो। मैंने बोला
You know, हमारे प्राइमरी स्कूल में गैम्बलिंग होती थी इन टाजोस की, like kids would buy the, you know, the rare वाले tazos and they would sell off the cheap ones and it was like a whole system and then they got banned from our school. Like we weren't allowed to carry
my
them.
cartoon crush was Ben 10, to be honest. I was crazy.
Yeah, he is cute. I was in 2nd grade and I begged my mother. I was like, you need to buy me this. You don't understand how much it means to me. She was like, okay, relax. Like, मैं ले दूँगी. She got it for me and I get ready. Like, I wore like special clothes and I was like, I'm gonna transform now, mom. And she was like, okay. And then I put the watch on and like I press the button and nothing happens. And the disappointment I felt at that
I'm
moment.
not even lying. वो वॉच मैं अमेरिका लेके गया था अपने साथ, वो वाली जो तुम बता रही हो। Literally एंड वक्त पे खरीद के I was like, oh जल्दी से give this. तो मैं
Yeah, I need this to transform.
मैं बोला वहाँ पे अगर कोई प्लेन समथिंग कुछ मतलब सुपर हीरो तो बन सकूँ मैं। पता नहीं यार।
I got my whole family ready. I was like, guys, you will not believe what's about to happen. And they were like, okay. And then I pressed the button and nothing happens.
That's
like,
really
wow.
disappointing. I'm gonna send you one video जिसमें अपने बहन भाई को मैजिक दिखा रहा हूँ वहीं पर बाहर। तो वहाँ पर ना इट्स लाइक कि वहाँ पे एक रोप थी, उसको मैंने कट करी, वो मैजिक इट डिडंट हैपन। तो मैंने अपनी बहन को चुपके से बोला, मैंने बोला इधर आओ जल्दी इधर आओ। वो आई वहाँ से आई, मैंने उसको कान लिया, मैंने बोला मैजिक नहीं हुआ, जल्दी से कमरे में चलो मेरे ऐसे। तो वो हम कमरे में मैजिक नहीं हुआ। कहते हाँ कोई बात नहीं गिव इट अ सेकंड ट्राई। फिर मैं एकदम से आया, फिर मैंने एटीट्यूड में आया। उसने बोला, मेरी बहन ने बोला वेलकम इरफान द मैजिशियन, जब मैं 8 साल का। तो मैं एकदम से यूँ आया, मैंने बोला हटो यहाँ से, मैंने उसको धक्का दिया, मैंने बोला आई एम गोना डू इट। फिर मैं जल्दी दिखा रहा एंड आई डिड इट।
Oh, that's good. That's great. You got your redemption.
I got it. I said ना when I want something I go and get it. I don't see कि कितनी दूर है वो, कितनी करीब है।
It was great. It was life changing. I learned a lot of things. I was introduced to Irfan the magician.
Irfan the magician.
Yes.
Nice.
I'm
Simple.
gonna book you for my birthday. I'm gonna tell everyone that Irfan.
When is your birthday?
It's in December. Hopefully things are gonna clear out by December. So yeah.
Mine is in September, सही है ना?
It's coming. Yours is coming.
Exactly. तो मतलब it's I can see the disaster.
Are we gonna get an Irfan the magician show on your birthday?
If you're gonna come, तो I'll show you.
Okay.
Done. Okay, we're gonna end this podcast. बहुत देर हो गई, रात की कोई 5 हमने 12 बजे बात करना शुरू करी थी, 1 बजे पता नहीं कितने बजे, और हम या खैर है ना
Irfan.
Okay, बस अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। I'm bad at this.
Bye.